guys, so this is how I decided to do my hair. Pretty much just like how I usually do it, but Winston, how did you decide to do your hair today?
Like this.
Neat.
I don't want to look like that anymore.
Why not? Such a cute boy. If you do your hair real quick, we could open our Christmas countdowns. Anyways, that's just how I decided to do my hair today. I might change it in the future, but I don't know yet. Yeah, that's pretty much how it's been going.
Is it on?
Yes.
How about now?
Okay, go.
Okay. It's kind of fold up.
Just push it. Good. Bro.
Oh wow. Look at you! Oh.
Look at your little chocolate.
Look, it's Mandalorian.
Alright, eat it.
What'd you get?
Star Wars!
Eat it.
Mom, look.
Eat it, Layla.
Star Wars! Look, it's
Okay.
like the bottom.
Okay, you go, Layla. Yours is... Yours is yours.
Oh,
Did you find number one?
Ready?
Okay, yep, open it. It's hard for Winston.
Nice. Okay, don't tear this too far. Just fold it over. And then sometimes you have
that
to
out.
pop it from the back. Got it? Nice.
Try it.
What is it? What is it? Let's see, I can't tell. Can you? Is that a stocking?
Nice.
Cute.
Can we eat it?
Yeah, you can eat it. Do you need both hands? I'll help you.
Oh.
Okay, just do me. Eight
Okay.
hands. Me and Mom will.
Oh, that's how you're supposed to open it.
Yeah. It's a little
Nice.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Nice. Okay, everyone ready? Everyone ready? Milk chocolate.
No.
Yum. Okay, gotta go. Gotta go. You guys, look at my mantle. It's so good. I love it. It's a little darker than I wanted it to be, but I love it.
Guess who might come after school? Jack.
Yep, everyone has to be good and get
Yeah.
along.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, Jack, love you.
Okay, got the kids to school. Now back to the mantle. What do you guys think? Do you like it? It is a little darker than I thought it was going to be, but I think that that's my fault because I sanded it down, but then I was just like, okay, this is fine, and put the glaze on, and I probably maybe should have sanded it a little bit more, but I actually really love it, and I think it will be great for like the holiday season and the winter just to warm it up in here, and I'm sure it will then fade. I actually really love it, and I would totally be fine if it stayed this same color. It doesn't look like just a dead piece of wood sitting there anymore. It looks beautiful, and I added some oil to it, and it doesn't look like it is just shriveling away. What do you think, Rose? Do you like it? Oh, those are big stretches. You ready to go outside? Go potty. She's like, yeah, right. It's cold out there. Okay, go potty. The chicken's out there. Go potty. Rosie, outside. She'll be in here. Thank you, good girl. Our chicken's still just running around out there. Gage puts a heat lamp in her chicken coop, but she just runs around all day long. And every day we're a little nervous that we're gonna go out and she won't be around because I heard chickens don't live that long. And when I heard that, I was like, oh, what? We've had her for quite a long time, so she's kind of old, I guess, for a chicken. And so it makes us nervous. So every day we're like, where's the chicken? She's still running around. I think she's doing good. I think she's a special chicken that will live a long time, so we'll see. Anyways, I have a good feeling about today. I have the mantle ready. Now I'm gonna finish up my garlands, get those up on the new mantle, and try to figure out where I'm gonna put this table so I can put my Christmas tree there. I have no idea where I'm gonna put it. I did have that table over there before Christmas a couple years ago, and then I ended up moving it over there, and I liked it, so I never moved it back. And our furniture was arranged a little differently, so we had the chairs on both sides, and then when I moved it back this way, I got this, and I love it, but now I don't know where to just put it temporarily. So I've been trying to figure that out. Also, sometimes when I put things somewhere temporarily, they end up staying there, and I really like it right there. I did think about putting it over there, but I love having that chair right there. I actually sit right there a lot, so I just don't know. When we first moved here, I had the two chairs right here, like on the edge of the rug, and then I kind of liked this setup a little better. I don't know if I still actually even like this setup, but I do like this better. Like a chair here, just so there's more seating to watch TV. Originally I didn't want a TV here, so that was kind of like, I just wanted this to be like a little sitting area. I don't know what I was thinking. But I do like this more open rather than the 2 chairs right here. But I'm always just like, I don't know about this. Oh, Rosie. I guess she's done. Welcome to Vlogmas, by the way. I just realized that we are now into Vlogmas. I'm a couple days ahead, still talking about our trip. So I think that this is Vlogmas day 2 or 3. But here we go. Here we go. Welcome to the craziness of my life. Welcome to the craziness of the vlogs. Welcome to the real. Because things are always a little bit like this. A little scattered, a little all over the place. But I love Vlogmas, so I'm excited. The kids love Vlogmas too. They're excited. So much excitement. Hey, how was school?
Good.
It was good? What's wrong?
I want Jack to come.
You want Jack the Elf to come? We haven't seen him, huh, today? Today is the first day of December, and whoa! Did you want some butter for lunch? There's the butter. Oh my gosh, yesterday I got groceries and I dropped 1 bag and it had all the eggs in it. And I broke every single one. Anyways, Jack isn't here. Well, we haven't been able to find him. Maybe he's hiding somewhere else. Is there anywhere else that you've tried looking? They haven't. I know they haven't looked everywhere. Yesterday when I was grocery shopping, Layla was like, can we get hot dogs? And because she really wanted a hot dog for dinner. And I was like, okay. And then I realized that I never buy hot dogs for my kids. I feel like I ate hot dogs a lot growing up. And my kids are like, can you please have hot dogs? It's so funny, the things that like you grew up eating. Like I loved SpaghettiOs when I was little. I never buy them for my kids. Like stuff like that we just had all the time. But I don't remember eating a lot of ramen noodles growing up, and you know. Anyways, I just thought it was kind of funny because then it was like, what kind of hot dogs do you like?
Do you want to see?
So she's having a hot dog for lunch. She's really looking forward to it. Yes. Yes.
Try to guess what it is.
Okay, everyone try to guess. Okay, let's see it.
Tie-dye.
Tie-dye. That's amazing, Layla. I love it.
I made it on my mistake.
You did great. I have a meeting today, and so I had the kids, we talked about this last night, right? I had the kids do their little crafts, and they had so much fun making them.
Why did we have to
Cutie.
do whatever
Looks so
we
different.
wanted to?
Rosie, excuse me? That is not allowed. That is not allowed, little child. What do you want? You want a treat or something? You want to go outside? Go outside and go potty, and I'll give you a treat. Okay? 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 Layla, I think we left Rosie's cute Christmas collar in the truck. We need to get it. Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna make some lunch, hot dogs, and I don't know what else is gonna happen today. We'll see.
Okay.
Winston found the elf. You guys don't look very hard. Winston was helping me put some stuff away and get some Christmas stuff.
Hi,
He did come. He's been here the whole time. You were so sad and he was here the whole time? Oh my gosh, this says, I'm back.
How did I not? I'm gonna go get Dad.
Okay, are you gonna go upstairs? No. You need to finish getting ready for dance. We need to put your hair in a bun. Why'd you take your hair out of a bun? It wasn't a bun. What the heck, girl? What the heck, girl? Okay, come on. I've just been hoarding all of these craft supplies with every intention of making so many holiday crafts. Yes.
Come here.
Okay. But they're gonna come in handy, I think, for Donuts with Santa, because I feel like we can use some of this stuff to decorate, and it's gonna be great, and I'm gonna feel so much better. I have stopped myself from going to the dollar store because I know I don't need more. Is this Jack the Elf?
Yeah.
Cute. Good job.
I'm trying to make Jack the Elf.
Nice. Okay, you need to get working on some homework. Right? Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that.
That's Lila's homework.
I'm just finishing up the day, doing some crafts. Everyone is in bed, and I'm just getting everything cleaned up. I got the hoarding situation stored until we need it. I got together with one of my friends who is helping with this event that we're doing, and we kind of went through everything and picked out what we needed and what we still need. One of the tables that we're decorating is for Jack Frost, and I had these signs from Dollar Tree. I don't know if I mentioned that everything that I had over there was from Dollar Tree pretty much, because you know I love Dollar Tree crafting. It really has been just one of my favorite things to do, to see what you can create. I had these two signs and they had snowmen on them and they're little sleds, and I just printed off this little Jack Frost. I still need to do like some sanding and kind of painting and roughing up those edges so it kind of blends a little bit better. But I think that's pretty cute. I'm gonna paint that snowflake and add a lot of glitter to it. And then it's the same thing on the other side. And I also made these bows to go on the back of the chairs. And I'm gonna paint those snowflakes also and add glitter. And over here, we're doing like a reindeer table. And I thought it would be cute to add these trees. They're a little more rustic and I really love how they turned out. Can you believe all this stuff is just from Dollar Tree? And then I also made a few more bows here. I still need to hot glue the pieces in the middle. They're already glittery. This is all stuff I just had. Anyways, I love how that sign turned out. I need to make another one, but I don't have any sleds. That's pretty much the only crafting that I really do anymore, is just try to make randomness out of Dollar Tree items, but I love it. Normally this time of year I'm doing a lot more crafting, but I think that this has kept me occupied. Normally I do advent calendars, but I kind of just started to feel like my kids expected so much before Christmas, and I love doing it and I think it's fun, but I also think it's good to just like keep it simple sometimes. And I ended up just getting them these advent calendars, which I had when I was little and I loved. And they've been really excited about them. And so I do think that it's good to just kind of have things a little more simple sometimes, and the kids seem to be loving it. So anyways, I'm gonna finish cleaning up and getting some stuff put away, and I'm gonna go to bed. Thanks for hanging out with us for day 2 or 3 or 4, I don't know, of Vlogmas. Hopefully I've gotten videos up every day so far, and hopefully you want to keep hanging out with us. I know it's a little crazy around here, but we love when you join in the crazy, so hopefully we'll see you tomorrow. Bye!